Hi, in this video we are going to see the lecturer vacancies notification from the government degree colleges, guys. So here the huge number of vacancies are there from the huge departments, nearly 41 departments are there. And here the candidates who are having only PG or PG plus UG Senate, okay, for both these two category type of candidates here the opportunities are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this advertisement or else the notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Department of Higher Education, Government of Jammu and Kashmir, UT, Nodal College, Government Gandhi Memorial Science College, Jammu. So academic arrangement for government degree colleges for Jammu division, and the date of opening is 28th April 2021 and the date of closing is 11th May 2021. And you may check down here the advertisement for academic arrangement, download the advertisement and download corrigendum. Okay, we will see one by one. First we will check the advertisement, guys. So in this advertisement the departments are given here, that means from which departments the vacancies are announced. And you may check down here, applications along with processing fee of 100 rupees are invited from the eligible candidates for engagement as lecturers, librarians, PTI and the teaching assistants on academic arrangement in government degree colleges of Jammu division. Okay, for the academic session 2021 to 22, and engagement of lecturers and teaching assistants on academic arrangement shall be made in the following subjects. And we check down, the subjects are Arabic, Biotechnology, Botany, Business Administration, Chemistry, Commerce, Computer Applications, Dogri, Economics, Education, Electronics, English, Functional English, and the Environmental Sciences and Fisheries, Food Science and Technology, Geography, Geology, Hindi, History, Home Science, Information Technology, Islamic Studies, and Kashmiri, Library Science, Music, Mathematics or Applied Mathematics, Persian, Philosophy, Psychology, Punjabi, Political Science, Physical Education, Physics, Public Administration, Sanskrit, Sociology, Statistics, Sericulture, Urdu, Water Management, Zoology, and any other subject to be advertised by the nodal principal Jammu division colleges. So here the total 41 departments are there. So really it is a huge recruitment, guys. Okay, utilize this opportunity. And coming to the lecturer, the candidates must possess the NET or SLET or PhD with minimum 55% of marks in the post graduation and 50% in case of scheduled caste and the ST and the differently abled candidates. And coming to the teaching assistant, the candidates must possess the postgraduate degree in the concerned subject having secured minimum 55% of marks and 50% of marks in the case of SC, ST and the differently abled candidates. And coming to the librarians and physical training instructors, the candidates must possess the NET, SLET or PhD with minimum 55% of marks in post graduation in the concerned subject, that is MLIB or MPED. And other terms and conditions are given here. That means for the application of lecturer, the candidate must have the NET, SLET or PhD must be there, or else if you are applying for the teaching assistant in these departments, then you must have only the post graduation is enough. And coming to the complete applications in all respects shall be received online only. So it is a link, guys, and I will show you that link, what are the different particulars are there to fill up at the end of this video. By the nodal principal, 28th April to 11th May. That means 11th May is the last day to apply for this one. So these are all the few more details are there, and I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video, so you may check down. And coming to the application form, so it is the application form, guys, and if you are filling up the new application form, then you have to click on this one. Okay, and here few instructions are given. What are the different documents you have to submit with the application? So domicile or state subject of UT of Jammu and Kashmir and UG mark list, PG mark list, MPhil degree certificate, PhD degree certificate, NET or SLET or SET certificate, bona fide experience certificate, okay, anything. Okay, so all this, just check down the particulars, all the things mentioned here clearly. And coming to the guidelines for academic arrangement, okay, so click on that one and you will be directed to here. So few guidelines are mentioned here. Okay, so check down all these guidelines and what is the selection procedure and the selection committee members. Okay, so all the things are mentioned. And coming to the corrigendum, so you may check down here. The points are mentioned. Okay. Anyhow, I think this notification will be helpful to you. So please go through these notifications very clearly. So it is a wonderful opportunity, guys. And from huge departments, okay, the number of vacancies are not mentioned here, but huge departments are there. That is nearly 41 departments. So 41 departments from the different government colleges. Okay, so definitely huge number of vacancies might be there. So if you are having only post graduation, then apply for the teaching assistant, and if you are having the PG plus UGC net, then apply for the lecturership. Okay. So these are the vacancies notification from this one, guys, and I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. You may check down to get the more and accurate details regarding this notification. Fine. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide